Right now, at three social media giants on trial accused of addicting and harming children. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us. I'm Annabelle Sedano. It's a trial getting underway right now in downtown LA. The biggest social media companies are accused of fueling a youth mental health crisis. TikTok reached a settlement with the plaintiff this morning, and NBC4's Camilla Rambaldi was in court today as jury selection began. She joins us live from downtown LA with the impact of this case. Camilla.
Yeah, hi, Annabelle. Jury selection got underway this morning, and it's expected to continue this afternoon. The question at hand right now in this case is if these social media companies are contributing to what a complaint alleges is an addictive crisis in kids. And the lead counsel for the plaintiff in this case says they're asking for transparency and change. Social media and its impact on kids. That is what is at the center of a landmark trial in Los Angeles. A civil complaint claims children are, quote, suffering an unprecedented mental health crisis. It's accusing the company Meta, TikTok, Snap, and YouTube that their platforms are allegedly, quote, addictive and dangerous to young people.
Our hope is that this trial will produce transparency and accountability.
Mark Lanier is the lead trial lawyer for the plaintiff in this case, known as KGM, a now 20-year-old. Lanier says TikTok settled the lawsuit this morning and that Snap settled last week. Details of those settlements have not been provided. That leaves Meta and YouTube still going to trial. Jury selection for KGM's case kicked off today.
The companies recognized that they were doing the same thing that a slot machine does. The company recognized that, in a sense, they were cigarettes for the eyes.
The complaint goes on to state that KGM's use of the platforms allegedly led to severe dependency and depression.
They need to be responsible to age. They need to be responsible to content. They need to be responsible to the addiction issue.
Here's legal analyst Royal Oakes weighing in on the potential impacts of this trial.
If the jury rules against social media, it could send a message. There are hundreds of other cases all around the country that could lead to many settlements. The dominoes could fall, and we could see restrictions on kids' ability to get access to social media.
Day one of jury selection kicked off today, and it's a trial that's expected to last for weeks. Again, jury selection continues this afternoon. In a statement to NBC News, a Meta spokesperson says in part, and I quote, "We strongly disagree with these allegations and are confident the evidence will show our longstanding commitment to supporting young people," unquote. And a statement from Google, which owns YouTube, a spokesperson says in part, quote, "Providing young people with a safer, healthier experience has always been core to our work," adding, quote, "The allegations in these complaints are simply not true," end quote. And Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg is also expected to testify as part of this trial. That's the very latest from downtown LA. Camilla Rambaldi, NBC4 News.
Yeah, so many people calling this a test case. Camilla.